guys, today I'm going to do a slime video. Y'all got a flower in it. Okay, I'm back again. So good right now. It is very good.
We could have easily lost this fish in the ankle line, but he was calm and he handled it.
Yep.
I just so slow down right now. Look. Look, guys. I'm still eating ice cream. See? You doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
About, hey y'all. Oh, hey y'all musical.
No.
Yeah. Somebody say to me.
Gosh, I'm trying to get it out. Jason, get out of the camera. Y'all need to go somewhere. Let me finish my video and y'all can watch it. Go somewhere. Go.
Just send it to me.
Okay. I will.
How you made it slime?
You will see. I'm gonna tell you. Cornstarch. I'll tell you when I come get done with it.
Okay.
Can y'all go back in the room and leave me alone where I can be? Okay, y'all. Right now. I got the
Yeah, okay. One of Duffy's most important jobs is to make sure that we always have bait ready for fishing. And that means jigging bait all night if necessary.
You see that I'm very slowly milling it? Oh, that's just so thick. Okay. I'll catch up with y'all on. Okay, y'all guys. So I just got done milling it. Oh my god.
Do not mess it up with this stuff. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Nice.
Y'all come in here. Some shower gel. Charge you. Okay. Wait. Get out. I love you too. Now who don't hear the sign?
So if it's gonna happen, I think it's gonna be pretty soon. So clean these up, get one out, see what happens.
Okay.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Alright, we got that today. We got one night left. Okay, come on.
I think I just messed it up, y'all, but it's all Gucci, cause you know what I'm saying. I know how to add it back good. Oh. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get all noodled with Sophia on. Okay, y'all guys, so the flaming for the finishes took, it came out very good. And all I did was use is gaining flour. So if you ever want to try this hack, please try it because it's very good. Please smash the like button. Please comment. Please subscribe.